So hi everyone, it's Tag Dad. Today we are taking a look at this pair of headphones from MPOW. They come in this little box. In it you will also find a USB cable, a 3.5mm cable, and a pouch. Please stay tuned up to the end of this video because as you see we have a plane back there. I will do a ANC test, active noise cancelling test. Funny story, I think I did a review of these headphones a year ago under another brand name. They were a bit different. The build quality was a little bit different, the accessories were different, so today we are taking a look at the MPOW version. At the time of recording this video, you could buy these headphones on Amazon for $30 US. They are about typically $50, but they had a coupon? Sorry for my French. They had a coupon of $20. You cannot have high expectation for that price, but what I want is a good enough sound, a not gimmicky ANC function, something that actually does work, good battery life, good connection, something that doesn't feel super cheap. And since I've been stuck at home because of the COVID, I've been testing this pair of headphones with the Quest because the fit is great. They just fit under the headband, the head strap here. They are ultra light. I mean, I can barely feel them, and they do work with that cable. I can plug them here and on the headphone. So this is a great alternative for Quest owners to improve the sound quality of this VR headset. So like I said, the weight is pretty low. It's 220 grams. But the build quality is not that bad really, and it's quite good for the price. So the ear pads here are very comfortable and it's very soft. You have soft material everywhere, like on the ear cups here, and on the top, and on the headband here. It's very cushiony. Is it good English? I don't know. So the build quality is quite good. You'll have a bit of metal here. I've seen from Amazon review that it can fail here at the junction where it pivots. So we will see with time. To control the headphones, you have buttons here, real buttons. It's old school, but I like that. You can feel them. It's very easy to use. You can skip song, on, off, every function that you can think of. And we have another button here, which is the ANC feature. And what I like is that it can run independently from the music, and it works on that cable or using Bluetooth. But please don't forget to close it when you are finished because the power button on the headphone will not control that ANC function. These works with Bluetooth 4.1, and that could be better. It could be Bluetooth 5. Didn't have any connection problem, but I think in 2020 they could use Bluetooth 5. The battery here is really good. They say it will last for about 45 hours, 40 to 45 hours. Let me tell you, I didn't test that. But I think it's pretty good for everyday use. You can last a week without any problem and charge it on the weekend. And what I like about them is the fact that they have fast charging. And with about 5 minutes of charging, you get about 2 hours of listening time. One cool feature is the fact that they work with this 3.5mm cable. So now for the microphone, it doesn't work with this, only in Bluetooth. And it's not the best really. I've did some testing, the microphone could be better. So now, fit and comfort, they are very, very comfortable. However, I have small ears. The cups are quite small and I don't have any problem. It fits perfectly for me. But if you have large ears, it might be a problem. They are maybe quite a bit long, so depending how I put them on my head, sometimes I have a small gap here at the back. So now sound quality, the bass, the trebles, the mids are good for the price. Nothing spectacular. You will put some music and you will not say wow, but for most people you will still be happy with them for the price. The only thing is the fact that the volume is a bit low. So now it's time for the active noise cancellation test. We are on the plane. You are unable to sleep. The engine sound is too high, as you can hear. You hope that the ANC feature on this will help you, and I'm here to show you if it does. So what I will do, I will use that little microphone and I will put it in the air cup. When I do this, is because the function is on, and when I do this, is because it's off. So let's go for the test. As you saw, it's not perfect. It's not doing the same job as the ANC on a Bose QC35, for example. But don't forget, the taxes here in Canada on the Bose headset are more than the cost of this headphone. So we cannot put them at the same level. It's normal. If you really need to have better active noise cancelling, you will need to pay for it. But if your budget is very low, this is not a gimmick. It actually works, but it's not perfect. These are great headphones for the price, 30 bucks, 50 bucks, depending on the sales. I'm happy with them. Like I said, I think I will be using them with my Quest daily. No, I don't play daily, but every week. I hope you've liked this little video. See you next time. It was Tech Dad, and please take a second to subscribe, like, comment. Ciao.